All right, evaluating algebraic expressions. So we're going to use some of our bar models here. This is on page 226 for 6th grade, Math and Focus. So we're looking at word problems now and trying to translate those into algebraic expressions. Here's our word problem. Simon has X number of, or X marbles, so that would be X number of marbles. And Cindy has 3 marbles. How many more marbles does Simon have than Cindy? So you see, I underlined some of what I would think is important information that I may have to come back and use or put into an expression. So again, Simon has X number. So I have S here for Simon. I just made a box and labeled that X. It's unknown. X is my variable. X is the variable. X is the unknown. I don't know how many marbles he has. These are his marbles. How many? Who knows? But we do know that Cindy has 3 marbles. How many more marbles does Simon have? Well, we know Cindy has 3 marbles. Do we know how many more she has? No, because I don't know how many he has to begin with. So it varies. Let's say that Simon just got done having a tournament, a marble tournament. He now has 20 marbles. So X would equal 20. Now I could put this into an equation, or I could solve it. At first it was X minus 3, because Simon has X number of marbles, Cindy has 3. We know that Simon has more, so to find out how many Simon has, we have to see, well, take the 3 away that Cindy has, we'll end up with what Simon has. So this is our original algebraic expression. Let me now substitute a number. Replace the variable with a number. Let's replace the variable with 20. So if Simon has 20 marbles, we take away the 3 that Cindy has. How many more does Simon have than Cindy? 17 more. Now again, this X can vary. If tomorrow Simon loses marbles in a tournament with his neighbor and he's down to 14 marbles, X tomorrow equals 14. That will change our outcome. We will now substitute the X, take out the X, and plug in 14. So our input is 14 minus 3. What's our solution at this point? Sorry about that. 11. So Simon has 11 more marbles on a different day. So we see that our answers vary. They vary because our variable varied. It changes. That's why we start out with an algebraic expression that allows for the change. This is our formula. If we input the correct information for X, whenever X changes, we will have the current information here. So that's why we have these everyday applications for our algebraic expressions, because things change. Simon's going to be playing marbles. It's going to change how many marbles he has. Cindy, she doesn't play marbles. They just stay the same. That's our constant here. This is going to stay the same.